Good morning, students. My name is Rosari Rambu Kadunga from Chemistry Education 2019 from Sanata Dharma University. Now, I want to teach you about my topic is hydrocarbon. Please listen. Hydrocarbon compounds are compounds made up of no carbon atoms, C, and hydrogen. Plastics such as LDPE and HDPE, polyethylene, and PP polyethylene are made from ethane and propane, which are processed by natural gas. Based on the shape of the carbon chain and the type of band, hydrocarbon compounds are grouped into 1. Hydrocarbon aliphatic, that is hydrocarbon with open chains with single bonds or saturate or double bonds. 2. Hydrocarbon alicyclic, that is hydrocarbon with closed or circular chains. And 3. Hydrocarbon aromatic, that is circular chain hydrocarbons with conjugate bonds, which are single bonds and alternating double bonds. Nomenclature of aliphatic compound. 1. Alkenes. Alkenes are saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds with the general formula CnH2n+2. Alkenes form a homologous series, which is a group of compounds with the same general formula and similar properties. The following table is the alkenes homologous series with molecular formula, weight formula, and names of each compound. IUPAC rules from naming alkenes. 1. The longest C chain is designated as the main chain. If there are two or more long chains of the same length, that the chain with the most branches is chosen as the main chain. 2. Branches of the main chain with hydrocarbon substituents or alkyl groups are named by replacing the suffix in alkenes to -il. 3. The C atoms in the main chains contain numbers beginning at the one end of the chains, taking the position of the branches. 4. For similar branch substituents expressed with the prefix at 3, tetra, penta, and so on. Alkene. Alkene is an unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound with a double bond. The general formula for alkene is CnH2n. IUPAC rules for naming alkene is 1. The longest C chain is designated as the main chain. If there are two or more long chains of the same length, then the chain with the most branches is chosen as the main chain. 2. The numbering sequence on the main chain starts from one end of chain where the position of the atom C is bound to double the smallest number. The double bond position number is based on the similar atomic number C of the double bond number. Alkyne. Alkyne is an unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound with a triple bond. The general formula alkyne is CnH2n-2. IUPAC rules in naming alkyne are almost entirely the same as alkenes. In naming the alkene, the name of the main chain derived from alkene with the same amount of C that has the suffix chain to una. The use of hydrocarbon compounds. 1. Alkenes. As fuel, for example, 1 is a major component of LNG, liquefied natural gas, propane or butane, which is a major component of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. 2. As a nonpolar organic solvent, for example, pentane, hexane, and heptane. 3. As a raw material in the petrochemical industry, for example, for the manufacture of alkenes with cracking and haloalkenes reactions. The use of hydrocarbon compounds of alkenes. As a raw material in the petrochemical industry, for example, for making alkenes, haloalkenes, alcohol, aldehyde, ethanol, and polymers. Ethane is a plant hormone that can accelerate the ripening of fruit. Bides that is also a raw material from polyethylene plastic. The use of hydrocarbon compounds of alkyne. The most important alkyne compound is ethone or acetylene. Acetylene is used as fuel in metal cutting and joining metal with carbide welding. Combustion of acetylene with oxygen can produce heat up to around 3000 degrees Celsius. In small amounts, acetylene can be made. That's all for me. Thank you.